भीमा कोरेगाव जाल्लो हिंसाचार आनी उपरांत नक्सलवादी घटकांकडे संबंधांक लागून अटक केल्ल्या 10व्या एक्टिव्हिस्टांच्या प्रकरणात न्यायालयीन चौकशी करची म्हूण GIMचो प्रोफेसर आनंद तेलतुंबडेची मागणी. तो म्हणटा वगीच खंय तांकां घुसपवपाचो यत्न चल्ला. सरकार विरोधकांचो आवाज चिड्डुपाचो यत्न करता. तेलतुंबडे मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनांत उलयतालो.
Police started claiming that they unearthed certain clues, etc. in interrogation with these KKM people, and now they escalated it. That insinuation was escalated to it is not just funded, but the Maoist organized the Algar Parishad. Also, party kept on shouting that it doesn't have anything to do. And 6 June, there were raids again on houses, not on the houses of those people who could be imagined to be connected with the Algar Parishad, etc., but all around and countrywide kind. And they arrested 5 people. The way they linked me with is that there is a letter written to Comrade Anand. They identify opposed with me, and by some Prashant, must be they call him a CC member of Maoist party. Now that letter says all kinds of things. You know, there is a reference to the Paris short letter, and entirely based on the Paris conference that I had attended in April.
ताचे नाव खंय वगीच घुसपावपाचो यत्न चल्ला. ताचे नाव आयले म्हूण खंय ताच्या भारता भायल्या स्टुडंटांनी खंय हरकत घेतली. मात GIMच्या भुरग्यांक पडून गेल्ले ना.
Now there has been international protests just on 28th. They heard me. When most of the universities, etc., there are student bodies who know me. So when they heard my name, there was immediately on 29th itself, there were protests in, I was told, in Harvard, MIT, Boston, Amherst, SUNY, one university, what is the name? I didn't get the name. That where in Canada, Simon Fraser, Toronto, Winnipeg, Montreal, and so on. These many universities in UK, Oxford, City University, LSE, all SOS, all these places, the students demonstrated.
Did your institute, did those students protest?
No,
of your GIM? Why not?
Mine is the business school.
सरकारी चौकशी जातली जाल्यार खंय न्यायालयीन चौकशी जावंक जाय.
There should be something like a judicial commission on this episode, because it has gone to this extent. Now they should actually have a commission and get everything sort of examined, and whosoever did it, right from the chief minister or whosoever did it, wherever it goes, they should be taken to task.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.